Hello and welcome. I'm Jean, an engineer at Noumena Digital AG, and in this video we will discover NPL. This short video is divided into 4 parts. 1. What is NPL? 2. The NPL runtime. 3. Why use NPL in the first place? And number 4. When to use NPL. So let's dive in. Part 1. What is NPL? NPL is a programming language, the Noumena protocol language, where authorization is a top-level concern. Unlike traditional languages where access control is an afterthought or handled externally, NPL bakes it directly into the language and compiler. At its core, NPL introduces parties, our way of representing users and groups of users. When writing NPL, you only worry about parties, and only at runtime you bind them to actual entities. This allows for fine-grained, programmable access control. The compiler enforces the explicit presence of these parties, so developers can't accidentally skip or ignore them. If your code compiles, it complies. Part 2. The NPL runtime. The NPL runtime is the component responsible for executing your NPL code. With NPL and the NPL runtime, you can build secure backends easily by focusing only on the core business problem. Non-functional requirements are solved for you. Now, what does the NPL runtime offer? It offers 5 core capabilities. Number 1. Enforced authorization. Interactions are checked against contextual access rules at runtime. Number 2. Transactional execution. Either operations succeed entirely or they don't. Number 3. Auto-generated REST APIs. Based on your core business logic, user actions are translated to REST API endpoints automatically. Point 4. Full audit logging. Every state change is logged. You get a complete audit trail by default. Point 5. Built-in observability. Metrics are collected and exposed so you can natively monitor behavior and performance. Part 3. Why even use NPL? NPL is designed for systems where authorization, auditability, and reliability are not optional. Here are the 6 key benefits of using NPL. 1. Security by design. Authorization isn't an afterthought. It's enforced by the type system, the compiler, and the runtime. 2. Simplicity. You write less code. The runtime handles APIs, authorization checks, transactions, and observability, so you can focus on the domain and skip the boilerplate code. 3. Clarity. Domain-oriented code is much easier to understand. NPL's focus on explicit authorization ensures that security constraints become an integral part of the review process. 4. Safety. NPL ensures that all interactions are atomic and consistent. If a call fails, no partial changes are made, giving you strong guarantees about application state, even in complex multi-party workflows. 5. Transparency. Even every change is logged automatically, useful for compliance, debugging, or just knowing who did what, when. 6. AI-assisted development. Because NPL code is domain-focused and free from boilerplate, AI coding tool can generate more accurate and relevant suggestions. And since the compiler requires that authorization is explicit, even AI-generated code must comply with security constraints, ensuring safe and valid output that is easy to review. Part 4. When to consider NPL. NPL shines when you need strong guarantees around identity, authorization, and transactional behavior. I will share a few use cases where NPL is a good fit. 1. For modeling contracts and workflows. NPL can be used to model and enforce multi-party agreements where strict access rules and full traceability are necessary. 2. For implementing regulated processes. In heavily regulated industries, NPL makes it easy to model and enforce compliance workflows. With explicit authorization, full audit trails, and a clear domain-focused codebase, the resulting programs are straightforward to review and verify by developers and auditors alike. 3. For Web3 and off-chain coordination. NPL is also a good fit to implement digital assets off-chain. This way, only the right actors can create, read, modify, or transfer sensitive assets. Use NPL to mediate between blockchains and traditional systems safely and consistently. Now you know what is NPL, how it works, and when to use it. Thank you for watching this video until the end. To learn more about NPL and its use case, please follow the link in the description. See you in the next video.